Hello and welcome to Narangi Adventures. Today we take a run up the coast. So, with no more ado, let's roll the intro and start the ride. Arriving in Barmouth, let's nip up the promenade and start from the top of Barmouth seafront. The tide is in and there is a fair swell on the sea. This is the quieter end of the beach, especially in the summer. So, hey ho, let's go! Back along the prom and into the town centre, then along the coast. Barmouth is always a busy little town. The coast road has great views and busy little villages along its route. Approaching Llanbedr, there are great views along the Llyn Peninsula and of Snowdon in the distance. On down through the village, past the turning left for Shell Island, a great place for camping, and then on out through the village. As we leave Llanbedr, on the left is the inland marina on the Afon Atro, a river and small estuary running out to the north of Shell Island. Approaching Carlick, there are views to the north across Carlick Beach and the dunes, across the estuary at Port Maddock towards Snowdonia and the Llyn Peninsula. High road or low road? Let's go high and through Carlick. Make your mind up. Onward towards Talsarnau, and the route has great roads with some lovely bends to enjoy along the way. take the left for Portmeadow, over the now much improved railway bridge. It was once a single track with traffic lights, but now has 2 lanes. There was also, years ago, a toll, now long gone.
Well, I assume it's
That's me muttering about the toll, now gone. The station on the right is the Festiniog narrow gauge railway, and Port Miriam is a little further on to the left.
Pardon me.
Onto the old toll road and breakwater at Portmeadow, and through this busy little holiday town. Turning left at the island at the end of the high street for cricket. Again, the ride to cricket is a good road with enjoyable bends and curves along its way. Cricket homes into view. Its castle, seafront and beach, with parking along its promenade. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this presentation. Please subscribe if you have not already, and click that like button. It helps to grow the channel. So guys, all that's left to say is, ride your ride, enjoy your ride. Be good, be kind, but most of all, be safe. Cheers all, take care.